Welcome to our deep dive on the upcoming Nikon Z7 III, the rumored high-end mirrorless powerhouse expected to succeed the Z7 II. We'll cover specs, leaks, timing, price, and 10 standout features you'll want to know. 1. Release. Window and price. Nikon hasn't officially confirmed anything yet. Industry sources consistently point to a late 2025 release window, likely between August and November 2025. Pricing is likely to be in the US $38,004,200 range for the body only. Based on competitor positioning and the anticipated jump above the Z7 II launched at $3,000. 2. Sensor and image engine rumors diverge. One leak claims a 90.75 MP BSI CMOS sensor with cross-pixel superpixel packing for enhanced low light, capable of 14 FPS 14-bit RAW shooting. Other speculation suggests more moderate 61 MP or even 67 MP sensors, possibly from Sony or TowerJazz, though TowerJazz reference has been debunked. Another camp expects Nikon to reuse a 45.7 MP partially stacked sensor, upgraded compared to Z7 II. It's possibly like the Z6 III's design. 3. Autofocus and AI features. Enhanced AI-driven autofocus with better animal-human eye detection and subject tracking, possibly adopting algorithms shared with the flagship Z8, Z9 cameras. It may feature a dual-stream autofocus system with improved low-light sensitivity and reduced lag. 4. Burst and shutter speed. Burst shooting rumored at 14 to 20 FPS in full-resolution RAW, with support for mechanical shutter 14 FPS RAW and maybe higher scratch-free electronic shutter modes. 5. Video capabilities. Potential support for high-end video, 8K at 60 FPS, 4K at 120 FPS. Internal 10-bit or 12-bit N-Log ProRes RAW recording. Some rumors hint at 12K at 30 FPS, though that seems less plausible. 6. In-body image stabilization. Improved 5-axis IBIS system, likely delivering 6-8 stops of compensation. Might include Nikon's Focus Point VR, which centers stabilization on the active focus point, seen in ZF and Z6 III. 7. Viewfinder and LCD. Expect a high-resolution EVF, possibly around 5.67 megado. With high brightness, approximately 4,000 nits and high refresh rate, 12 Hz plus, similar to the Z6 III. Rear display rumored as an upgraded, fully articulating touchscreen, perhaps for axis tilt design for flexible video and vlogging workflows. 8. Build. Ergonomics and connectivity. Weather sealed, improved grip design, possibly an optional revised battery grip. Dual memory card slots, SpecXpress Type B plus UHS-2, SD, enhanced wireless, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth LE, and maybe Wi-Fi 6 support. USB-C, with power delivery and faster tethering capabilities. 9. Battery and power. Likely uses NEL 15 series. Battery may be NEL 15C or with improved efficiency and USB-C charging support for extended use. 10. Differentiators from Z7 II and positioning. Significantly higher resolution. Sensor or stacked architecture compared to Z7 II's 45.7 MP BSI CMOS sensor. Improved burst rate. 10 FPS gives 1420 FPS video, 4K 120 FPS, and possible 8,000 capabilities. Better autofocus and stabilization. Advanced EVF LCD combo plus modern connectivity. 10. Features to highlight. 1. Ultra-high resolution sensor, 6190 MP. Rumored. 2. Stacked or partially stacked BSI CMOS architecture. 3. High-speed continuous shooting, 1420 FPS RAW. 6. 8060 FPS and 4120 FPS internal recording. 10 or 12-bit. 5. Refined AI autofocus with enhanced eye and subject tracking. 6. 6 to 8 stop. IBIS with focus point stabilization. 7. A 5.6K EVF with 4000 nit. Brightness and 12 Hz refresh. 8. Fully articulating touchscreen LCD vlogging, friendly. 0.9. Dual Specs Press plus SD slots. Wi-Fi 6B, TLA, 10. Robust body, improved ergonomics, USB-C charging, and compatibility with Nikon accessories that wraps our comprehensive rumor-based preview of the Nikon Z7 Mark III. Based on industry sources, leaks, and Nikon's historical update cycle, we expect late 2025 launch, a premium $4,000 price point, and major jumps in resolution, video, autofocus, and stabilization. Stay tuned as soon as Nikon makes it official.